What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You probably wondering where I'm standing. Q, where the heck you at? You see Red right here? Yeah, that's right, guys. You saw the title of the video. That's right, man. Red got a new home, man. Here we go. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who? Back, baby, with another video. I'm kind of had to get used to doing it in this neighborhood now. I used to do it in my apartment, ain't care. Now, you know, over here, these people probably like, what the heck is this guy doing? But yeah, guys, you saw the title of the video. It's right, bought a house, man. And y'all about to see the whole thing real quick. The walkthrough wasn't fully done with the video clip. Y'all about to see. Man, I know a lot of y'all been like, Q, you got to get a house. Can't get another car first. Get a house first. Get a house first. So we've been working on this house for about since April of 2021. So about a good 10, 11 months we've been working on this house. The building process is a lot different than what it used to be. Basically, I can tell you right now, we didn't get to customize or pick anything. That's just how things are going with the pandemic and all that stuff, you know. You just really didn't get to customize or do any of that. So it's kind of almost like a cookie cutter home. Here you go. Hope you like it, you know. So that's how we did it. But actually, it worked out in our favor a lot. And I just want to say that, like a lot of people was telling us at this time, well, it's not a good time to build. It's not a good time to buy, guys. Let me just tell you, man, when something is for you, it's for you, bro. Like, nothing can stop it. And actually, we walked into quite a bit of equity on this new house, like, you know, which is rare for new builds. But we walked into a good bit of equity, and it just worked out. It was a seamless process. Shout out to my realtor, Portia. I'll put her right there. Y'all definitely go follow her if y'all want a house, apartment, lease, anything in the DFW area, guys. She got you. Did a great job. So shout out to you. Thank you, Portia. Shout out to my wife, who's been amazing. You know, me and her accomplished so much together. We just keep growing and building, man. And you know, that's what it's about. So thank you, babe. Couldn't have done this without her. So thank you, and thank you all for supporting. I know a lot of y'all kept saying get a house. I think I just said that, but yeah, man, finally got a house, got that done. I know a lot of y'all tell me about, this sound funny, but spending the money on YouTube and all that, guys. So my YouTube revenue is honestly, it's not a lot, but it's separate from my personal stuff. So my YouTube revenue isn't going into this house at all. This is just me and my wife's hard work, right? So this is not going in that. The YouTube revenue is strictly for trying to build and grow the channel. That's what that's for. But yeah, man, I do want to thank y'all for supporting. You know, it's been 3 years y'all to see me come from an apartment. Now we in the house, man, and I don't know what's gonna happen in this house or what's gonna happen next with the channel, with the truck. So y'all know Red is pretty much almost done how I want it to be for the most part, you know. So what's next? I don't know. I can't say I got to figure it out, but we just go keep moving and grooving. I got some ideas in my sleeve, but I don't know how they're gonna go. So, but we'll see, man. Like I said, what's for you is for you. Can't nothing stop you. God, this was all God's plan. Like how we even found out about this build, this lot, everything like was just God's timing, bro. Cause we weren't even looking for this house, and actually the house we wanted now are way more expensive than our house and way smaller. So we actually. God's plan, bro. That's all I'm gonna say, man. When it's God's time for you, he got something for you, it's gonna be for you. You ain't gonna be able to deny it. And that's what happened here. Like, it happened, bro. So I hope y'all enjoyed this walkthrough. It's your boy Q. This will be Red new home where she will be sitting. I already dirt up the driveway, if y'all can see. Thank y'all for the continued support, and let's keep growing and growing and glowing. I messed it up. Here we go. Peace. All right, guys. So this will be home sweet home. Got a brick out here. All white bricks. Off-white bricks, white tan bricks. I know. So here's the neighborhood.
Last time we came over here.
Yeah. So they got bricks in. They got the windows in, and they got this drywall, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
I said, looks like it.
This gonna be home. We got a 3-car garage. Oh, there's a lot of space over here to do a gym. But see what I was saying though, babe? You could park Jazzy just over here and give me these two. Huh?
You don't have to take up the whole garage and all that space. That's enough for you.
No. I'm talking like for the gym and for the other car.
Me and the other car can park over here. Red can be over there.
Okay.
All what you want to do.
Okay.
You're going to have extra stuff. You're going to have tires and all this other stuff.
Okay. Oh, watch your step. Don't step on that. So, guys, yeah, this is going to be the crib-o. I don't know when I'm showing y'all this video, so this is pretty. So we wrote a quote or a Bible verse. Brielle wrote a Bible verse. She came up with a very, very good one. Jeremiah 29:11. So y'all go look that up and read it. Yesterday, we wrote it there and we wrote it somewhere else in here. Oh, yeah, they got this drywall in. That's a beer bottle in my house. So yeah, this gonna be the house, guys. Windows. The windows are nice. Nice. I like the nice open windows. Where's she at? Bria, what you doing? She posting on social media. Yes, she was. I guarantee you she's posting on social media. And so it is 2-story. I'm gonna go up here in a second. And then here's the backyard. You like the windows? Huh? You like the windows?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I like how open big they are.
So they said they're bigger than the model home that
Yeah.
we saw.
Yeah,
Yeah, they
they're
seem taller.
Yeah, they are. They're taller and wider, both, he said. And then, oh, watch that. Well, you tell me. Watch myself. I know. Backyard. Here. So our backyard is going to go to like where that pink thing is. Here. All the way across back to here. It's going to be a pretty big backyard. Actually, very big. We definitely could put a pool in here for sure. What you think? Yeah. Who's that? Oh, all right. So, go show y'all upstairs really quick. So I don't know what's going on as far as the channel, guys, right now. I'm not sure when y'all seen this video, but if it's slow, the channel has been slow. This explains it because this is what we've been working on here. That's going to be the master. And then upstairs here is going to be, it's a lot of nails and crap, bro. It's just going to be a 1-floor like lounge entertainment area. Guess I'll take y'all all the way up here, as y'all can see. Brielle, look at Brielle. So yeah, here. So yeah, oh yeah, there's one's up here too. So yeah, guys, that's what's been going on behind the scenes. I have been talking, but yeah, we got a house. This is a look at it. Again, I don't know when y'all will see this video, so I'm not sure if what I'm saying is gonna equal up timeline wise, but if you're seeing this before it's done, you know we got a house. If you're seeing this after it's finished, that's what we've been working on the last few months, which is why things may have been slow on the channel. All right, guys, we already discovered one issue: no service out here.
Real?
Terrible. I know. So, what's that noise? Yeah, boy. Look. Nope. Withdrawal. I know. Hey, creaky door, I'm gone. Look, gone, out of there. So this would be, so guys, see, this it's 4-bedroom. So that door is creepy as hell. I'm sorry. 1, 2, I think it's the bathroom. And then you go over here, you have the, hey, what's right here? Oh, the other bedroom. A master can fit in here.
A master?
A master bed.
Huh?
Not master.
King size bed?
Yes, king. A king size bed can fit in here, babe. Look. A king can fit. We putting it in here. I'm telling you. Right here against this wall. And just put, it will fit.
A queen would be tight.
It will fit.
Babe,
I'm telling you guys, comment below. As a guest, would you appreciate having a king size bed in your bedroom? Or a king size, okay, what's the option? Hold on. What's the option? King size bed or more space? What's the option, right? What's the sacrifice?
you like more bed or more space?
Yeah, so do you want more bed, or you visiting, you gonna be alone, or you want more space to, I don't know, to put your stuff, or I don't really know what you want to say, but that's the option. So she's saying she want more space. I think we need to put a king up in that joint and just be good with it. So I was talking about the sectional. So me and Bria had a argument about furniture. It was a discussion. It was a discussion about the furniture size. I think, look how big this is. A big section like what I from my friend have. Here to back down.
I'm not against it. I just don't want it to overpower the room. Because as y'all can see, our kitchen and living room flow pretty closely to each other. There's not a big gap between the two.
It was talking about right here.
That's too close. Because you know the island's got to come out. The island's going to come out this way.
Yeah.
Too. So that's what I'm saying. Like, we don't want to get such a huge piece and it's going to run into the back of the kitchen.
Unless we put the bigger side here and the smaller side here, because there's nothing over here anyway, just the windows.
Yeah, well, there's no
So
TV going to be right there.
yeah, so.
So yeah, I don't want to get something so massive that it's like, oh dang, okay, we got to slide past here.
I don't think we will though.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, guys, let's wrap this video. I don't know. Another creep. Nah, we gotta get the hell out of here. Come on, we gone. All right. Anyway, guys, let's go. I don't know, wrap this video. I just want to bring y'all on, show y'all this progress so far. But We'll catch y'all on the next clip or the next time.